Welcome guys. So in this tutorial we are going to download Eclipse and set up Java and write a simple Java program to see that everything is working fine or not. So to download Eclipse, just put download Eclipse for Windows 10. Okay, and you just go to this website and download. So just wait for some time when the download start. Yeah, so here click on download. So download is started. It's 113 MB. So it'll take some time. So I'm pausing my video and again resume once download will be done. So Eclipse is download. Just go to download folder. Now double click on this. So this Eclipse installer will start. This opening will take some time. So before you install Eclipse, just install Java, set all the environment variable. For this, you can watch my previous video where I taught all these things. So here we will be developing a Java application only. So just select this one, then install, accept all, and then Eclipse installation is started. Also, you want to build the Maven project, just install Maven also. To how to install and how to set up all environment variable for Maven, just watch my previous video where I have given a step-by-step guide to install Maven and Java also. It is doing like the Eclipse installation will take some time, so just waiting for that to complete. Looks like my internet is slow. It's taking some time to download the resources. Maybe I pause, wait my video for some time, and once it's done, I'll come back for next. So I'm pausing my video. So our installation is completed. Once installation complete, you'll see this launch. So just click on launch. So Eclipse get launched here. So it's Eclipse is getting open. Just wait for some time. It might be first time you're opening, so it might be initializing something. So it's asking for workspace. This is default workspace is checking. You want to open. You want to create a new folder workspace. Just browse. Maybe you want to create a new folder in C drive. Go to C drive. Or create a new folder. My workspace and select. So your all the code will be come to this workspace. Select a folder and launch. So is opening the Eclipse. So Eclipse is open and you see this this is our welcome screen. You can close and This is you, and in this, so this will be startup screen for us for Eclipse. So what we'll do in next video, we'll create a project and run it that everything is working fine on this Eclipse or not. So thank you for watching.